Video I will show you how to install the Facebook app on a MacBook. It's actually a very simple tutorial, so let's go. The first thing you should know is that if you go to the App Store, and I've opened up the App Store and type in Facebook right here, you won't see it here. You won't see it in any of the apps. As you can see, we have Messenger, WhatsApp, iPhone apps and iPad apps. It's not seen. So what you want to do is go on Google Chrome, not on Safari. You want to have Google Chrome. You want to go to facebook.com from Google Chrome. When you're on Facebook, you can log in or not log in, doesn't matter. From there, you want to click on the three dots right here. You want to go down to Cast, Save and Share, and here you want to click on Install Facebook. And now I'll click on Install, just like that. And it is installed, as you can see, as an app. It's very, very simple. That's how you do it. Hit the like button if you appreciate the video. Hit the subscribe button. See you next video. Bye.